goddamn chicken escaped, but I haven't told my parents. They left it open. I don't know if I tell them or if I just let her escape. Her chicks are trying to escape. Why won't you go and attack her back into the cage? There's 2 of you. Where's the other one? 2 are missing. There's only 3 of y'all now. Plus the other 4. What's that? Still 7? Those little things are gonna grow up to be like fighters. Y'all over here chilling. That's not how you do real work. Do something. I bet they would have done something.